Cross both arms. Good. Come over just a little bit more. Good. And bring this back. Let me just. Good. So I feel a little restriction down here in the sacrum and our L5 vertebrae. Good. Wow. Gosh, that was loud. Let's see. Let's go on the other side. There we go. Bend this top leg here. Good. So you can feel at our L2, L3, there's some joint misalignments in the vertebrae. We're going to go right into them and reset the joints. Great. And let's see, let's go face up on the table. Good. Cross both arms. Give yourself a real big hug. Good. Very good. Great.
Just a little bit over on the T1. Good. Okay. There we go. Good. Now I'm gonna come all the way down. I just want to check your leg length as well. I'm gonna pull through. Yep.
Okay.
Keep the bottom leg straight. Tap on the button. Come a little bit closer to me. Don't need you falling off. Good.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
So we're gonna be doing the side posture adjustment. What that's gonna be is I'm gonna roll you a little bit more over towards me and just bring your attention and do an adjustment here, okay? There we go. Good. Got a lot of movement with that there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Others-
Boom. And you felt that in the
I
ankle.
felt that. That felt awesome in the ankle.
Good. There you go. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you bend that top leg, keep that bottom one straight.
Okay.
Good.
Same thing.
Same thing,
Okay.
yes. There we go. That's pretty locked up. So we're just gonna do a little testing. Oh, and I actually started moving just with that a little bit.
Whoa.
Good. Okay. So next one, what I'm deep breath in and exhale out. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Good. All right. Good. And right on top of the sacral base. Good. And then we're going to work these side joints. Right side here, they get tight when you're sitting down all day. Here we go. Just going to open them up a bit. Good. There we go. So right over the sacrum, right side here, and just relax. And then on that right side. These adjustments, they don't feel that much. They don't hurt at all. They're usually comfortable. Okay, now we're going to peak this table a little bit, right? Just to increase the curve inside the lower back, and so that the lumbar spine just kind of floats right there. And she's going to feel that drop like that. So I'm going to breathe in really deep, and breathe all the way out. There we go, right inside there. Good. Let me do it one more time. In deep, all the way out, Janetta. There we go. Good. That's it. Good. Okay, I'm going to come right around here. Okay, you can go right over there. And we're going to adjust right side of your Janetta. So I'm going to breathe in one more time. All the way out. You're going to hear a little pop. Good. One more time in and out. All right, let it go. Good. Good. Excellent. Good. Excellent. That's not too bad. Okay. So I'm just going to bring it down like this just a little bit more. Good. Just going to rotate it down. And I'm going to bring it back here. Okay, I'm just going to contact your right side here, this right side, and relax. Good. Hold on. Just going to do it one more time. Breathe in again. And all the way out. Let it go. Good. A little tight inside there. Come right on the other side, please. All right. Right side, other side. and easy. Come a little bit closer, just like that. I'm just going to adjust this lumbar area right inside here. Bring it down. Good. Again, breathing real deep. All the way out. Try to relax that lower back a little more. Good. There we go. Come right on your back. Come on my face out. Okay. You know when you just relax your leg just a little bit. Good. Just gonna come here. Let it go. Just like that. Good. I'm gonna bend this one right here. Let this leg drop. Again, you might hear a little pop inside there. Good. And then relax here. A little bit more. Just relax. Open up that ankle joint. Good. Slide back up. Excellent. Let's see your shoulders. I'm going to adjust the shoulder areas. You might hear pop inside here. These are where you hold a lot of stress inside there. There we go. That was easy. All right. Let's hit the elbow joint. Good. Boy, that popped really easy. Right there, to the other side. Okay, come right over here. And just relax your arms as they drop just a bit. Good. Relax the joint. Good. Okay. Relax your hands a little bit. Good. Good. Like that. Relax right there. Good, and just right here. Just going to stretch a little bit more. Just let it go right there. There we go. There we go. Excellent. Good. You're going to do one. Okay, I'm going to stretch right inside here. A little bit more. That's it. But just relax. There we go. All right, Doc. Get you wrapped up. Deep breath for me. One more. Oh, all right. Got a good pull
That
out.
was a good one. Oh yeah. That's what I call a ring dinger. I love that.
Still kicking.
Yes,
Got
sir.
reflexes. Low back
Feel the
strength.
blood flowing to my legs again. That's always good.
Low back sway. What's up top here? Try to let that loose as possible. Beautiful. One more. Already moving. Excellent. That moved good. Stay put. All right. Relax your thigh for me. Good.
Oh, yeah.
More over here. All right, both
Yes,
sides.
sir. All the way up. Good
All right,
job. Thank
come
you.
on up for me. From the base of the occiput all the way down to the sacrum.
Ooh, that's it right there.
Transition thoracic segment right here. We're going to start a little below the segment, take some tissue slack up.
Oh
Drive it straight in.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. How did I spell?
Going to go straight down. L5. L4. L3. L2. L1. And the drive is SI's superior to inferior. Very good. Get his sacrum. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to lock up the drop mechanism so it doesn't fall. We're just going to work our way up the upper thoracics. There's a little one. Alright, not too bad in there. Alright. How's that feel, Doc?
That feels great.
What have I missed? Anything?
I don't believe anything.
Alright, come on back up. Let's see where your posture is.
Yeah.